Okay guys, girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this little 62 Nova convertible. I just washed it, so those drips you see are water. As far as I can tell, I don't think the car leaks anything. It sat on the trailer, I didn't notice nothing. I haven't seen anything when I was driving it around. I kind of keep an eye out at first. There's a video of us driving this out to Tybee Island. We drove it all over Savannah for 3 days. Car runs and drives good. I worked a couple things out I noticed right away. Has a brand new cloth top, new interior. The back seat is original, has not been recovered, but it is in nice shape. The front buckets, these Novas and Mustangs are kind of notorious for not a lot of belly room for bigger guys and taller guys. They put the Pro Car buckets in here on tracks and they move. I actually have to scoot the seat up. It also has a chrome tilt column, which is completely unnecessary because it has plenty of room. I think this car's been done for a little while. They did a little touch up on the silver. They could have did a little bit better blend, but it's good enough. I think for a driver, if you want a show car, you may go back and address it. There's about 3 dings in it. I'm gonna have my paintless guy walk around it. I'm going to try to get that done in the next 3 or 4 days. I'm very busy. I'm in the process of selling my house and moving my shop. So I'm going to be very busy. It does have power disc brakes. Like I said, all the gauges work. The oil pressure gauge, they're aftermarket. I've had issues before with them. The oil pressure does not show a lot of oil pressure. The little thing doesn't smoke after it's hot, doesn't smoke when it's cold. You have very little upper valve train noise, no knocking. The motor runs great, doesn't smoke. So I have the feeling it's the gauge. If I get to it, I'll check it. It runs extremely cool. Even down there, it was running very cool. They have the Nova, little exhaust tucked up right, nice and clean. I think the stance is perfect. Like I said, it is not a perfect show car, but it is a very nice car. The trim is in good shape. The bumpers are in good shape. You can see that little bit of dark spot on the door there where they did the blend. I think somebody could work that out a little bit better. I have not touched this car up or anything. I just washed it. Like I told you, it runs and drives out real nice. It got filthy on the way home, so the heater does work, by the way. I in the evening, we were kind of not dressed appropriately. During the day it was warmer, and then at night it cooled down a little bit. The heater does work. Like I said, the gauges work, the lights work, the wipers work. It is a manual top, and you can put it up by yourself. I put it up by myself. It goes up and down just fine. You can see the trim is in good shape. One other quirk I noticed, if I get to it, I get to it. I never promise anybody anything. That's why I say if I get to it. But the wipers are about 1 inch too long, and the driver's side one touches the trim at the top, so it needs a little bit shorter wiper arm. Anyway, very nice. Like I said, you can see they did new door panels, Pro Car seats, new carpet. The dash is painted super nice. The gauges look nice. The radio does not work, the best I can tell. The back seat, like I said, is in very nice shape, and maybe it's been redone also. I'm not sure. It's quiet and peaceful. It was very nice and pleasant driving it around. You can see the tilt wheel, which, like I said, I had to move the seat up, which I'm not a tall guy, but I got a belly, and I had to move the seat up. It's not, like I said, it's not crazy sounding. You can tell it's got a mild cam in it, but what's pleasant about it is it's actually drivable, and the motor's actually very quiet. It sounds real good. So like I said, just a neat, and for those of you, and I didn't know this, I knew they were rare. It's the first convertible I've ever had, and I was talking to some people. I didn't know they only made them 2 years, 62 and 63. So it was kind of ironic because when we were cruising around, it got some amazing attention, which it has a great stance. It's a cool looking little car, convertible down in Savannah. But it was interesting, the response it got. And then I did some, talking to some people, and I did not know they were only made 2 years. So there you go, the video, 62 Nova convertible. There's a video of it driving out to Tybee Island on my page also. There you go. Thanks.